In this video, I'll be showing you how to set any song as a ringtone on your Android phone. Best way to assign a specific song to a contact is through the Contacts app. This allows you to immediately identify who is calling by the music that ends up playing. So what I want to do is open up my contacts area. Then from here, tap edit on whoever I want. So let's just say I wanted to go on this one right here. All I got to do is go ahead and click on the contact. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on this one right here. Press the little I, then I'm going to see a lot of different options right here. Tap edit at the bottom of the screen. Then I want to go ahead and press view more to expand all the fields. And I'm going to see a lot of different options right here. And all I want to do is scroll down and look for one that says ringtone. And then once I go ahead and click it, all I gotta do is select the song from my internal storage device, and then that's it. Whenever this person calls me or anything, it's gonna have that very specific sound. And you can basically just download anything, just make sure it's in your audio files, and then you'll be good to go.